Welcome to an action-packed and exciting unboxing of the ASUS VG278 3D monitor with a couple of cool features that really set it apart from some of the previous generation 3D monitors, including ASUS's own. If you guys remember, we gave away one of those 24-inch 3D Ready monitors in the Duke Nukem contest, and it's also the 3D Ready monitor that I use on my home test bench, which you guys will see during some of my late night benchmarking session videos and whatnot. So hopefully this is a worthy successor, and let's go ahead and get started getting this opened up. So we got a couple bits of assembly hardware here in a place where you're bound to notice it, so I'm guessing you'll need that. We've also got a VIP member notice, and okay. We've got 3D Vision 2 glasses right here. So why do we have 3D Vision 2 glasses? Well, the reason is that this monitor is actually optimized for 3D Vision 2. We have a dual link DVI cable. Let's keep opening things, shall we? Shall we? Yes. We have an audio cable. We have some 3D Vision drivers, some 3D Vision glasses quick start guide, some general instructions and whatnots. We have the base, which I can't get out yet. We have some more cables, including a VGA cable, although really guys, if you're going to run this monitor off a VGA cable, just go home. We have a power cable, and we have the 27-inch monitor, hopefully I don't drop it, itself. Okay, so give me a sec. I'm probably, actually, no, wait, don't give me a sec, I can do this. Alright, so I just need the base, which I just have to force it. When in doubt, force it. That's like Computer Tech Class 101. If it doesn't fit, push harder. Alright, there's our base. It looks very similar to the base from the 24-inch model. It's got that 3D sort of logo looking thing on it. If it's similar to the other one, then it probably rotates. Yep, there you go. So it actually swivels. Okay. I would be robbing you guys of the unboxing experience if I turned off the camera to remove all the packing materials, right? Is that how this works? Some days I actually don't know. So we're going to go ahead, flip this bad boy over, then we're going to go ahead and put this right over here. Okay, and then we're going to rotate it back to center and grab that hardware, which has fallen to the floor. Oh no, it hasn't. Which is here. We're going to undo that, take these, which are here, and we are going to screw them in. Okay, maybe I'll come back after I screw these in. Alright, so the VG278 has its base attached now. We're going to go ahead, I'm going to pull this pin, which is going to allow me to adjust the height. Oh, that's a pretty robust height adjustment, actually. Feels very solidly built, actually. It's been my experience with all the ASUS monitors that I've had the pleasure of using so far. Build quality is, as I've come to expect from ASUS, excellent. So let's keep on opening it there. Very, very, very shiny, shiny base. Alright. Overall, it's a very shiny monitor. Not something that I personally prefer, although a lot of people do like the shiny thing going on with their peripherals, so I can't really fault them for going that route. Okay. Let's keep taking these off. So over here we've got the Splendid button. Splendid is basically like a one-touch color enhancement button. So it's not going to be necessarily accurate colors that Splendid's going for, but it would be sort of more like vibrant colors, so the kind of thing that would be good for a store display where, you know, if you want someone to pick your monitor, then you want to show off the full color capabilities of it. This is an LED backlit panel, so that's a big improvement over the previous generation 3D Vision monitors. I believe there was only one previous generation LED backlit 3D Ready monitor, and it wasn't the one from ASUS. So ASUS has added that to its repertoire. What we also have, moving around the edge of the monitor, oh look at this matte screen! Oh, I didn't even notice that before! That's the part about it that is not shiny, which is the critical part there. You can see how little reflectiveness there is in the screen. I'm going to point it right at Slick, and you're not going to be able to see him because that's how matte the screen is. That is outstanding. 2 thumbs up, ASUS, for a matte screen, LED backlit, 27-inch, 1080p, 3D vision ready monitor, which, incidentally, the reason it includes the 3D Vision 2 glasses is because it supports, where is it? Lightboost. So that gives you, in theory, due to the way that 3D Vision 2 operates with inserting extra frames between the left and the right image, gives you, in theory, double the brightness when you're running stereoscopic 3D applications. So I believe it's a combination between the monitor boosting it up whenever you launch something 3D and the way that 3D Vision 2 operates that gives you that functionality. Very cool. What else we got in here? LED backlit, 120 Hertz. It better be 120 Hertz if it's 3D. 3D Blu-ray ready, so that's over HDMI 1.4. And finally, tilt, swivel, and height adjustment. So why don't I show you guys all of that? So there is your swivel. Look at how far that goes. What, really? Does it go all the way? Oh, look at that. That's cool. So you can actually angle it any direction you want. That's where it stops. I've never seen that before. Alright, so here's the angle adjustment. Oh yeah, you want that from the side. I guess that makes sense. There you go. And height adjustment is quite height adjustable. Huh, neat. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull the rest of the plastic off here. And then let's have a look at the inputs and outputs. Oh, wait, no, hold on. There's yet another thing that makes this a very, very NVIDIA 3D Vision ready monitor, and that is right here. That is your IR emitter. You do not need a standalone IR emitter to go with this monitor because it is included. All right, so let's have a look at the inputs and outputs, which we will find on the bottom of the monitor. Well, no, okay, I guess we've got our on-screen display first. So here are all of your menu items, including selecting your source, navigating the menu, all of that good stuff, and finally your power button, which has a little LED on the front of it. Then, what's going to be a good way to show this? Trouble. Okay, here's power. Here's HDMI 1.4, DVI, VGA, please don't use this. And finally, there's your audio in and your headphones out. I think that pretty much covers everything I wanted to say. So in summary, 27 inches, which is better and larger and awesomer than previous generation 3D Vision monitors, which makes sense because the new 3D Vision 2 glasses have bigger lenses, which allows you to take in a larger image without any issues. Lightboost 2 compatibility, or Lightboost compatibility, a built-in 3D Vision IR emitter, a matte screen, an LED backlight, and that makes for one pretty wicked looking monitor from ASUS. Don't forget to subscribe to Linus Tech Tips for more unboxings, reviews, and other computer videos. Look, bunny ears.